I doubled down on my rights as a citizen. Right. I doubled down. I think being a lawyer really makes me aware why I wrote my book, The Easy Way to Learn Your Rights, because it makes me, being a lawyer makes you very aware of what your rights are and why they're so important to use them, because I see them full circle, right? I see what happens when you don't use them. I see what happens. And so I had sat through quite a few elections before, but I was busy practicing law, because when you're practicing law, a lot of what you do is practice, and you don't really focus on much else. So I wasn't into campaigns. I was not this political person or anything. I just knew that something needed to be done, and that elections only came up every 8 years.
Mhm.
And I was like, I'm not going to sit through another 8 years of this, right? And I don't think the people should. So I just started doubling down on what my rights were as a citizen. My rights as a citizen were to organize, to be able to bring people together to understand what's happening here. And then I use my knowledge of the criminal justice system, particularly in that realm in Nashville, of what judges had said and done before that people in the public didn't really know about or pay attention to. And so then I just started to focus their attentions on things that were affecting us the most. And we really just started to grab people who were not necessarily political people. We just grabbed people who had influence and skills and abilities, and and taught them about why this is so important. Why do we need to care about this? Black Americans are 5 times more incarcerated than a 60% white majority. We have criminal justice reform going on, but it's very reactive, not so proactive. And so once people started to understand how it affected them more, right, it was like, oh, okay, now what can I do? And we would just give them things to do, how to help, post, show up, reshare, just different things that more millennials and Gen Z focus on doing. And so we just kind of intertwined that, and it worked.
That's
We worked
fantastic.
hard. We got out. We beat every door. We told everybody that would listen about what we were doing. So we worked hard, but we did a whole lot of grabbing the new age of where campaigns are going and really intertwining it.